Here's 3 reasons why aegyosal makeup might not look good on you. 1. It has everything to do with your facial proportions. Koreans are all about maintaining their youthful look, and one of the main ways to do this is to make your middle part look shorter, because they believe this gives you a more youthful appearance. For example, look at how Suzy looks with and without aegyosal. But this doesn't mean that everyone looks good with aegyosal. And if it doesn't fit your facial features, it might make your face look awkward and bloated. Now take a look at Soyeon with and without aegyosal. You see that her face with aegyosal makes her face look very bloated and puffy. Whereas here, she doesn't have aegyosal, but everything just looks a lot more natural. That's because her middle part is much shorter compared to someone like Suzy's middle part. So adding aegyosal makes her middle part look even shorter, giving her a stuffy appearance. Number 2, you might be over highlighting your aegyosal. Now Soyeon still does aegyosal makeup, but she does this one thing differently. She doesn't highlight or apply too much glitter on it anymore. This is because the original size of her aegyosal is already really big, so if you accentuate this, it might just make your eyes look puffy. So now she just lightly draws the aegyosal line and avoids applying too much glitter on it. Now number 3, if you just don't have any aegyosal at all, but you still want to have that youthful appearance, here's what you can do. Now first, don't force and draw an aegyosal under your eyes, because this is just gonna make your eyes look awkward. Take a look at Nana. She doesn't have aegyosal at all and her under eyes are very flat. If your eyes are like this, try to shade your under eyes instead of the traditional aegyosal makeup look. This way you still have eyeshadow and depth under your eyes without it making your face look stuffy. So today we covered 3 reasons why aegyosal makeup does not look good on you, and if you have any other topics that you want me to cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and follow for more beauty tips. Bye!